Hi guys, welcome to my Watson in Financial Services Tech Talk channel. Today I will show you how you can easily embed a Watson Assistant chatbot which is voice enabled and Watson Discovery Search on any web page. We'll be using IBM's demo builder, and within few clicks you will be able to create the infrastructure required for deploying the demo. The infrastructure components will be automatically deployed on IBM Cloud, which includes Cloud Pak for data as a service, all the Watson services like Watson Assistant, Watson Discovery, Watson Speech to Text, Text to Speech, and so on. It will also deploy all the VPC infrastructure required for running the demo. The demo itself is a Node.js app which will be deployed on IBM Cloud, and you'll be able to run it. And you can customize it further to enhance your basic use cases that will be deployed by default. So let's get started. In this example, I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable IBM Watson chatbot and Watson Discovery on this ibm.com/Watson homepage that you see on my screen. Let's get started. So I'm on this data and AI demo builder website. The first thing I need to check is whether I have sufficient permission to create the infrastructure required to run this demo. So I just click on check here, and it takes me to my IBM Cloud account. I need to ensure that I have a pay-as-you-go account type, which I have, which lets me move to my next step. So coming back to this data and AI demo builder website, the first thing I do is I enter the company name for which I am creating this demo. So I have already entered that, and I click on this advanced options. What you see on my screen now is it has automatically pulled in the IBM homepage URL and the corporate address for the same. If I want to make any changes, I can override that. In this case, since I'm building it for IBM Watson, I will just put this as my URL. I can also enter a couple of products here so that the demo that gets built can provide certain offers based on the products that you enter. So in this case, let's enter, say, Watson Studio, Watson AI Ops, and then I click continue. So now click on deploy to IBM Cloud so that it starts the deployment process. Okay, so it takes me to my IBM Cloud page again, and here I just say create, and this will start the deployment process. I click on apply plan, and that should now successfully start creating the components required for this process. So let's jump back here, and here you see the progress of your deployment. This will take around 15 minutes, so I will see you after that. So it's been 15 minutes and all the services required to run this demo has been installed on my IBM Cloud instance. Let's take a look at the deployment. So the first thing that you see on this screen is the status of the deployment itself and the different services that got installed as a part of this process. Some of the things that it deploys out of the box is it deployed all the Watson services required to run this demo, like Watson Machine Learning, Watson Assistant, Watson Discovery, Watson NLU, and so on. It also deployed the VPCs required as a part of the infrastructure component and Cloud Pak for data as a service on IBM Cloud. So once the demo is deployed, it spits out a set of links. We'll walk through each of them in brief. Let's look at the demo that was deployed. I'll click on this customer page, which is the actual demo that was deployed. It takes you to a screen which is nothing but saying that we do not use any real data for this demo. I click on this icon here and it takes me to the actual web page which was mocked, and it has two links now, one for Watson Assistant chatbot and one for discovery. Let's look at Watson Assistant. I click on this and it shows me a couple of options which it pulled by default. So let's say I want to know my nearby location. I can just say find nearby location and it will show me IBM's corporate office location. I can also text this address to my phone. In this case, it will ask me for a phone number and I can provide it with that, and this should send me a text message with the map and the address. Now this happens because we have automatically integrated the Twilio phone service, which enables it to send SMSs. Let me show you one more use case, the voice integration. So I can do the same search using my voice. Show me nearby locations. And this will return me the same IBM's corporate office location, and I can now use voice as well. This is happening because we have integrated Watson speech to text and text to speech as a part of this demo. Let me show you one quick example of Watson Discovery as well. So I click on this search icon here. So this has been integrated with Watson Discovery, which is our enterprise cognitive AI search-based solution. And it has automatically crawled data from the website and created some knowledge base articles out of it. So let me search for, say, show me all Watson customer success stories. This will now show all the customer success stories that it was able to get from the website. So that's it. That was a quick demo on Watson Assistant and Watson Discovery, and how we were able to quickly create the demo within a matter of 30 minutes. This will hopefully help you get started quickly, and I'll talk a little bit about the infrastructure component so that if you want to customize it a little bit and go deeper, you can do that as well. Let me now show you how we build this demo within a matter of 30 minutes. So this is my IBM Cloud dashboard. I go to resource list, and if I want to find out all the things that got deployed as a part of this demo, I can just filter by the company name, which is International Business Machines, and it shows me what are the different things that got deployed. So behind the scene, we take care of deploying the VPC infrastructures, the storage service required, um, the functions that are used, and also the Watson services that got deployed as a part of this. So within a matter of 15 minutes, all these things are easily deployed using the demo builder. Now let's look at one of the core components, which is basically the orchestration engine that helped us design this demo. So you see a link on the demo builder page which says Node-RED. If you click on it, it will take you to the actual application or the orchestration flow that we built. So let's look at that. So this is the Node-RED orchestration engine, where we are actually orchestrating the whole flow, which involves the different Watson Assistant use cases, Watson Discovery use cases, including speech to text, text to speech, and if you want to go deeper, now I will challenge you to actually modify this, understand this, and modify this to add more use cases which are very specific to your uh, business needs. So this concludes my demo. Hope you liked it. Basically, key things to remember here is it's pretty easy to actually get started using Watson Assistant chatbot and Watson Discovery Search on your web page. Uh, and the demo builder actually takes care of deploying the services on Cloud Pak for Data as a service, taking care of all the infrastructure requirements, and also the Node-RED app which you saw, which lets you actually customize it further once you have the basic app ready and running. Thank you.